Now when it's time to turn in, when I commit to make this turn to my port side to head in the marina, we're gonna see the boat speed up, and I'm gonna have to actually speed the boat up a little bit in order to get in there without me drifting off to my port side or to the south side here. And I'm actually gonna shoot up current and upwind, knowing that I'm gonna get blown downwind or down current and head straight into the marina. And by going upwind just a little bit, I was able to come straight down the fairway. Now, once I'm in the fairway, I do have to slow down because, you know, I've now gotten out of that strong current. There is still a current in here, and it's drifting off to my left. You can see the boat start to drift in that direction. And so I have to plan for that when it's time to turn in my slip, and I'm going in and out of gear to keep the boat going down the fairway.